Welcome to this opportunity for an exceptional home in RiverPlace, a new community in South Hillsboro. Built by Riverside Homes, this new community is located in a serene neighborhood off Southeast River Road and is close to Intel, Nike, and the Tech Corridor. Designed with traditional architectural detailing, the stylish elevations add distinction without a custom home price. You'll discover a sophisticated interior with abundant windows for plenty of natural light. Entertain in your new kitchen with its large island and appreciate the ease and functionality of the workspace, storage, and latest appliances. RiverPlace features 29 new, spacious, open-concept floor plans ranging from 1,500 to 2,600 square feet. These homes can be fully personalized through upgrades to meet your personal preferences and needs. You'll find beautifully designed master suites with well-appointed and luxurious baths. No detail is overlooked. Riverside Homes provides quality based on state-of-the-art technology and energy efficiency, saving you money and adding immense comfort. Customize your home by choosing exterior and interior finishes. All homes have fully fenced yards, including a professionally landscaped front yard with a drip irrigation system. Come choose a floor plan and then indulge in the experience of choosing all the finishing touches that allow you to create a home that fits your lifestyle. It's all here at RiverPlace, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com.